Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I will help you how to fix it try again later on Instagram. So guys, you can see the problem will limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram, like following people to product our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So guys, this problem is occur when you follow many people at a time on Instagram, or you liked many posts on Instagram at a time. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, after this you need to click on your main profile and click on three lines. And guys, after this, here is the option of settings and privacy. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this scroll down, click on help and click on report a problem. Click on report a problem, and after this include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your appeal. So guys, I am writing here. So you can see I am facing the problem. We will limit how often you can do certain things. So you need to write same. And guys, after this here you need to write your username. So here you need to write your username, and guys, after this, here you need to write your email address for contact purpose. And guys, after writing your appeal, here you need to upload your screenshot in which you have facing the problem, this problem. And guys, after doing all the things, you need to click on send. And after sending, within a day your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to do anything on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.